A very good afternoon to you. A cold end of the week. Temperatures set to struggle in the next few hours. Clear skies for some, but turning increasingly wet and windy through the weekend. Amber warnings already in place for extremely windy weather through the latter stages of Sunday. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. Something of a split setup with brilliant blue skies across the south. Weak winter's sunshine after a freezing, frosty, icy and in places foggy start. More cloud across Scotland, Northern England and Northern Ireland, and across Scotland a wintry mix of rain, sleet and hail snow, once more blowing snow across the highest routes with the brisk winds. Elsewhere, staying quite breezy across the north and the west with a switch in the wind direction, and temperatures on the low side all day, just 3 or 4 degrees at best, feeling so cold, with an early frost forming across the south and the east tonight as temperatures tumble once more, frosty and icy into the small hours. All change for the north and the west, mind you, brisk winds, rain to come and hail snow for Scotland again. A very good evening to you. Cold and frosty for some of us in the next few hours before temperatures tend to recover as we slide into the weekend, if turning increasingly wet and windy. Already amber warnings in place for strong, gusty winds through the latter stages of Sunday as the next storm is due to make its mark. In the meantime, clear, cold, freezing and frosty through parts of the south and the east as the night wears on. Here, a chance of some icier spots initially. Further north, further west, thickening cloud, outbreaks of rain, brisk winds, a wintry mix of sleet and snow across the highest ground of Scotland, and very much a split setup as we slide into Saturday. A cold in places, patchy frost across the southeast with sunshine limited by cloud. Elsewhere, grey skies, misty low cloud with outbreaks of rain sliding through the north and the west, disappointingly dull and damp. Quite brisk winds and a very different feel to recent days. Temperatures recover for all of us, nowhere near as cold.